Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check the oil level using the dashboard menu in a 2013 Renault Megane 3. So firstly, we have to learn the steps because this information is not going to last for long, just a couple of seconds, maybe. I think it's like 10 seconds. And firstly, we're going to start learning the steps. So one, start the ignition, not the engine. Two, use one of the buttons over here. And three, checks, look at the dash menu display and see and press the button, one of the buttons, until you are going to see the oil level. Because I didn't turn on the ignition, I'm not able to see the oil level. Let's do it. So start the ignition, use this button over here, one of the buttons, and press it until, look, you see the oil level. So in my case, it's at full. So this is how you can check the oil level using the dashboard menu. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.